Hey, how y'all doing? I hope everybody's feeling good and great. Let me tell you something today. The motherfucking weather was just like a delightful. It was delightful. I had to take me a nice little cruise of a walk tonight. Like it was just beyond beautiful today. So suck all this shit up. You know what I'm saying? The amazing day. It's always an amazing day because you're alive, healthy, able to do great things. So always look at it in that way. And y'all know how I do it. I just jumping right into it. And today is Sex Tip Tuesday. Bitch, Sex Tip Tuesday. Bitch. Okay, I'm going to skip over the sex tip today because we got to get into some things. This girl have been pissing me off and I like her. I like her so much that I'm going to be her for Halloween. She's also we are also from the same town, Flint town. Y'all know who I'm talking about. The quote Claressa Shields. Now I'm not talking about her relationship with her man, whatever. Everybody going in on her because Papoose is still married. She ain't got nothing to do with that. Him and Remy been over with. So Remy had her a whole man. So I don't know why everybody looking at Claressa like it's a problem. You know what I'm saying? Remy moved on and she's still married. He moved on. Now he got her. Like what are y'all talking about? Like that should really be irking my goddamn drawers when y'all be saying like stupid ass shit as if you don't see what the fuck is going on. You know what I'm saying? It was clear that she really moved on because she moved on with the black captain, him, and now she's with him and all with Papoose, but now but they still married. Now I guess I don't know what's going on with that situation, and I guess they'll figure that out when they figure it out. But peep this shit though, Claressa, girl, I am so sick of you. I am so sick of you. You know you got dragged. You already everybody drags you, bitch. Now I say that in a nice way. Bitch, everybody drags you about your motherfucking fashion. You have stepped your shit up. You have. I done see some outfits like, yes, bitch, yeah. You got a couple of those. But then you slide back down the motherfucking hill. Like, oh god damn. And also this is a fact. Just because you got money and you buy so expensive clothes does not mean that you have style. It does not fucking mean that. You can look good and whatever, if you know how to put that shit together from your motherfucking head down to your motherfucking shoes. It don't cost a lot. And if you spending your money with them white people, I don't need. That's a whole nother, and that's your thing. That ain't my thing. But any motherfucking way. Claressa, what is this shit? This shit is trash. This is an ugly ass motherfucking outfit. Somebody said that stuck out in my head was that what they said this bitch was a Olympic skater and shit. Girl, what is that? Girl, that shit is ugly. Now I did like the back. I did like the fit of the back. I like the plunging neckline and your back is out, whatever. That's cute. But the front of that shit, like the one little piece, just covering up your pussy, like that's not. It's not sexy. It's not stylish. It's not chic. It's the shit look trashy. Like no, not necessarily trashy. I won't say trash. It's like it look costumey. Like like bitch, I'm about to do this. Like you a fairy. She was the fairy. Yeah, yeah. It was a fairy. Yeah, yeah. That's how the fuck you look with that stupid ass shit on. And it look like you got like 60,000 fucking bundles of goddamn hair on your head. Child, girl, child. Mm-mm. Twisted, that wasn't it. I'm sorry. And you did also make comment was like, who make these people the fashion expert? The motherfuckers who's fashion expert, just like the who make you a motherfucking boxing motherfucking champion and professional. Why? Because you trained, bitch. Like it's something that was in you. And I'm saying because, I say bitch in a good way, bitch. Don't punch me in the face when you say me. Um, is that like fat for some? Well, I can't speak for nobody. Fuck somebody else. I'm talking about for me. Like it's in me, bitch. Like I do's this. This is what the fuck I do's. You know what I'm saying? Like on some for real shit. Like and just be putting shit together like that from the head to the toe. And I have reached out to you plenty of motherfucking times. Like I really would like to help you. And I'm sure you already got your team or whatever. You probably satisfied. You shouldn't be, but I mean, no, I'm not gonna say you shouldn't be because, like I said, you have stepped up, but then you come slide the fuck right back down with that out there. This shit right here is oh no, it ain't it, girl. Use the fairy. Yep, and you just I don't no. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Then I seen another one. I ain't take a picture of it. She on blue and she on these. Girl, what was you? It was just like, oh god, the shoes was off, off. Now we already know that fashion is subjective. We know that, like you know what I'm saying. But a motherfucker who got like an eye for some shit, like can put some shit together. Them the type of motherfuckers you need to have around you to help you the fuck out. And you have to be able to be a client that's willing to fucking listen. You got a nice body. Your face, you look, you got nice, you look alright. You know what I'm saying? Like, it all depends on how you put your shit on together. Everybody look nice. You know what I'm saying? But girl, no, that one you just failed. Like, terribly. I mean, they dragged your ass by that weave like this. Like, girl, get the fuck. They just was doing you like this. The bitch, and you just the air with that outfit just kept on going, just up and down and like you know what I'm saying, taking you to the clothesline, hanging you up, taking you down, and just drag your ass because it was awful. Girl, it was awful. Awful. It was awful. So Claressa, sweetheart, this is your fellow motherfucking Flint finest. They don't know about me yet, bitch, but yeah, I'm one of them ones. I'm not saying just to be motherfucking egotistical, but I'm confident and I know why. Why? Because God tells me this. You understand what I'm saying? I already know what it is. But Claressa, that was wrong, and like it hurt my feelings to see my Flint sister outside like that, like performing that song. That. Now that's no another motherfucking conversation for another motherfucking day. But Claressa, my name is Rill. I am a designer, fashion architect. All the things. Holla at your girl. Let me get you together. For real, for real. But you have to be able to take critical criticism and be critiqued and also let the person let me select clothes that look great because you got a nice ass body, girl. Your body is tea. I mean, is it like this? You know what I'm saying? And like just a little bit, that was way too much hair. You don't need all that goddamn hair. You gotta, but I did like the back of the dress, but the front, like it was trash. But yeah, so that's the tip of the day for Claressa Shields. You want to shout out to the globe because I fucks with her hard. I fucks with her the long way. Like I said, I am gonna dress up for you for fucking Halloween. I'm coming through. I'll be talking shit. I'll beat your ass, bitch. I know she'll be saying that, but I'm gonna be saying, bitch, I beat your ass, bitch. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, y'all know my name is Rill. I'm intimacy coach, stash seduction with the service called Seductive ArT. I will be having my Seductive ArT workshop in February 2026. I'll keep you all abreast of that. As well as I am a author. The title of my book is called Quickie. It's 7 short erotic stories. Be why you fuck while you read. And I am a designer / fashion architect. The name of my brand is Real Nice by Rill. I'll be selling on TikTok really soon. I'll keep you all abreast where you can get some things. It'll be mostly I'll have some hoodies and some crop top sweatshirts that's very chic and chic and stylish, you know, and of course the hoodies, you know, is I was about to say transsexual, bitch. Is it's unisex, you know what I'm saying? And also uh if I resonate with you, you know what to do. Please hit that, click that, and y'all know how we lead this motherfucker. Be wise, be kind, be thankful, be about your motherfucking money, be grateful, be supportive, be ambitious, be focused, be a part of your community. Black people, be black and proud, be thankful, be one with God, be a great friend, be a great listener, be confident, be ambitious, be humble, and all these great things. In the midst of you doing all of that, don't you fold, don't you think twice, and that is you always be you because God made you perfect just as you are. Until we meet again, y'all have a great night.